Welcome back, everybody. Game time here, continuing with 2018 Donruss football. Other than that slap in the face by Panini with their stupid points, I pretty much like this stuff. I do like this stuff. So you're going to see a video that I just posted of that back there, the 12 packs of these jumbo packs. And then this, and then in that video I said I was going to order the hanger boxes to see what special card is in that, because in this was blue press proofs. And I don't know if I've opened blasters before. This may be my first go round with the blaster, so let's do these first since I already know what to expect, and then in a couple of days I'll have the hanger boxes for you guys and we'll see what those look like. Alright, so we know these have a lot of base cards. We're not going to read all of those names. As I stated in the other video, I've already opened enough of this that I don't think you probably want to sit and listen to me read the names of every player. And the parallels: blue press proof, Jaworski, Bo Jackson, Jared Cook, Javon Wims, who is this? Oh, Rashad Penny, elite rookies, and then a Dylan Cantrell, Braxton Berrios, and Deshaun Hand. Yeah, my complaint with these packs was I wished it had, maybe I'd be willing to trade a couple of the base cards in place of another insert or two. Also, out of that whole entire box, I did not get any of the top quarterback prospects. No Baker Mayfield, Josh Rosen, Mason Rudolph. I didn't get any of those guys. None. And I was really surprised by that and disappointed. Quiz Rogers, Tyrell Williams, Michael Crabtree. Here's a Mason Rudolph press proof. That's a nice one. Then a Ground Force Kareem Hunt, Doris Fountain, Dante Jackson, and Mike Gesicki. Alright, other than that, the price of that box was less than the price of a hobby box, but there were, in that whole box there was no autograph, no nothing numbered. Von Miller, Damon Harrison, there's a Dak Prescott, that looks good, blue on blue. Kiki Kute press proof. Team Heroes, Julio Jones, Shaquem Griffin, Taven Bryan, and Tre'Quan Smith. So even though it costs less than a hobby box, if you want hits, you don't want to go that route. If you want to make a base set, then there's definitely no harm in going that route, because you get a ton of base cards, as you can see. Alright, our press proofs this time are AJ Bowie, David Johnson, Marshawn Lattimore, Marcus Davenport. Then we have a Gridiron Kings of Jordan Howard, a Breland Speaks rookie, Antonio Callaway rated rookie, and Dalton Schultz. So for the 4 fat packs, rack packs, value pack, those are all rookies and inserts, parallels, and this is the stack of base cards. This is just from 4 packs, so it's quite a lot. Alright, let's check out these blaster boxes. Yeah, okay, it's coming back to me. I have not opened this because I do not remember getting a mem card out of one of these. I don't think. Gosh, my brain's so bad nowadays. And I open so much. I've got to start posting more videos, guys. I'm going to go ahead and give you a heads up because I open so much stuff that posting just one video a day is, truthfully, I'm just way behind. I'm sitting on tons of videos that I could be posting. I didn't want to like just spam the channel with them, but I really would like to get them posted before they're obsolete. Alright, here we go. Jabril Peppers. Kerryon Johnson Rookie Threads. Well, that's a good one. People seem to really be high on him right now. And I seem to be pulling a lot of his cards. So this is a decent mem card. For sure. Cool. Right out of the first pack. And Marcus Davenport Rookie. Let's see if I can get some of those top prospects and how many inserts come out of this as opposed to those fat packs. Here's a Ronald Jones II, another one that people have high hopes for. Brady and Watson. Fans of the game, Matthew Berry and Quentin Nelson Rookie. Nothing too crazy there. See if we can get anything numbered out of here. That would be nice. Trubisky and Prescott. Kuechly. Nope. Just a rookie card of Isaiah Oliver. Rashad Penny. Russell Wilson, Gronk, Le'Veon Bell. And that penny is it. Ertz, Mixon, Goff, Jameis Winston. Here's a Dominators, Todd Gurley. And Avonte Maddox. So a couple of inserts so far. There's Aaron Rodgers. And there comes my James Washington, because that's who I'm pulling right now. James Washington, and more James Washington. Which I suppose is good, because the Steelers fans are definitely buying those cards. I'm not holding on to a bunch of them, that's for sure. Alright, we got a red press proof of Marlon Mack. And a Javon Wims rookie. Cam Newton, Son Reddick, Michael Thomas, Marlon Mack, and Kiki Kute. 2 more packs of this blaster. Shazier. Alright, we got a Walter Payton Man of the Year, Jerome Bettis, the Boss, and Rashawn Evans. There's a Mason Rudolph again, so that's good. Fletcher Cox. And there he is. So that's it for that blaster box. I didn't separate the cards, but a good couple of inserts. The one red press proof, decent jersey card, not bad. You get a lot of cards. There's 88 cards in this box. Once I think I bought 6 hanger boxes. Once I've opened those, I'm going to see what I can do about maybe putting together a set. I know for sure I can put up a set up to the rated rookies, but I've sold off a lot of the rated rookies, so I don't know if I could do the complete set or not. Might have to pick a few of those back up or buy another box to see if I can fill those holes. This one is Shaquem Griffin. I think that's my hit. There's Juju Smith-Schuster, Thielen. Looking forward to seeing both of those guys play this season. Traquan Smith. Jimmy Graham, Jordy Nelson. Kerryon Johnson again. The rookies. I listed one of these cards last night and it sold immediately. So people are definitely expecting him to do well. And, you know, from somebody who definitely got to see him play a lot, I mean, he's pretty good. I hate to admit it since he played for Auburn, but it is what it is. Nothing crazy in this pack. Tyrann Mathieu. Who do we have? Jalen Samuels. Case Keenum, Sterling Shepard, who I love. I don't think he gets enough credit. All-time Gridiron Kings, Mean Joe Green. And Haquan Lewis. Zach Martin. Brett Kern. And we have Deshaun Hamilton. Yeah, he might be good. Alright, looks like we have another red press proof here. And it is Le'Veon Bell. Very nice. And Dylan Cantrell, which I already have. This we have Braxton Berrios. An insert in this pack, and it is Elite Series rookies. Who's this? DJ Moore and Deshaun Hand rookie. So that is it, unless other than our hit pack. Let's see who we got this time. It might be Steelers colors. Doug Baldwin, Drew Bledsoe, Bortles, and of course it's James Washington. Of course it is. And then we have Taven Bryan. That's just crazy. If you go back and watch some of my videos, you're just going to see James Washington all over the place. I'll take it. Like I said, the Steelers fans are really digging him. So really, these are two good mem cards to get, honestly. So I'm giving the blaster boxes, I'm giving those a thumbs up for sure. I mean, again, I felt like maybe you could take away a couple of those base cards and give us another couple of inserts and parallels, but for what it costs, for what it is, it's not bad, and you're guaranteed a hit, so I'm down with that. Thanks for watching, everybody. I will be back with my next video soon.